Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be kind of reviewing and creating an eye look with the Ulta collaboration with Melisa Michelle. So this palette came out about a month ago, like in July. There are 9 shades in this palette. There's a mirror on top. You have 5 matte eyeshadows, 2 metallic, and 2 shimmery eyeshadows. You also have 3 creamy eyeshadows on the side here, and then a glitter liquid liner and a sponge applicator. The shades in this palette are really nice. So I'm excited to see how the pigmentation is and how they blend and all that kind of stuff. The thing that I'm the most excited for is this rose gold glitter liquid liner down here, because I've never tried a glitter liquid liner that's rose gold before, and so I cannot wait to see how that is. So this palette looks really pretty. It's the Bling on the Glam Eyeshadow Palette. So I'm excited to try it out, and let's get started. So I'm going into the shade Rotorman, which is just a light creamy color, and I'm applying that all over my lids just as a base, like I always do. Next I'm going into the shade 100%, which is a light nude pink color, and I'm adding that to the outer corners of my eyes and into my crease, just trying to deepen things up but do it slowly so that everything looks blended. I'm going into the shade Florida, and I'm adding that into my crease and my outer corners, and also a little bit on the inner quarter part of my eye, because that's the look that I feel like I want to create today. But now I'm going into Boo Bears, which is a brown color, and I'm adding that right over top to help deepen things up a little bit more. Going into the shade Oi, I think it is. It's just a purple, like deep purpley burgundy color, and I'm applying that right over top of the same part, so the outer corner, my crease, and then to my inner corner. I'm going into the shade Twinsies, which is just a deeper shimmery color, and I'm adding that to my outer corners and into my crease. I also just applied a little bit of the shade Dude and added that into my crease. Now I'm going back into the shade Oi, reapplying that to help re-enhance that shade. Now I'm going to use the little sponge applicator that it comes with, because I feel like sponge applicators usually apply glitters a little bit better. So I'm going to go into the shade Manifest, which is a gorgeous glitter. Just going to apply that to the center of my lids. Glitter is so pretty. Can you guys see this? Oh my goodness. And then I'm going to go back into the shade Oi with a blending brush, and I'm just trying to sort of blend in the eyeshadow with the glitter so nothing is too harsh. I'm going into the shade Besties, which is this shimmery shade. I'm adding that just on either side of the glitter. Now I'm going to go back into the shade Manifest, which is that same glitter, and I'm just going to reapply that and also sort of blend the edges a little bit, just so that it's not too harsh right in the center of my lids. Now I'm using a black gel pencil liner from Ulta, and I'm just going to draw a line. The pencil is actually super creamy and easy to apply, and I also lined my waterline. Now I'm going to use an angled brush, and I'm going into the shade Oi again, and I'm going to just line my lower lash line with this, because I don't want to really mess too much with my eyeshadow right now, because I do like the way that it looks. I'm just going to use this glitter that the set comes with. And I'm going to use this for my inner corners. And then I'm just lightly blending it out with this sponge brush. Just because I don't want to add anything to the eyeshadow, because I feel like if I add something, it's just going to look too busy and I don't know. Now for my brow bone, I'm going to go into the shade Rotorman and just apply that. And now I'm going into the shade Hey Guys, which is another shimmery shade. And I'm just adding that right over top onto my brow bone. So I just popped on some lashes, and now I'm going to use this Ulta Limitless Lashes Mascara. I'm just going to apply this to help blend in the falsies and also to apply to my bottom lashes. For lips, I'm using this Ulta lipstick in the shade Stay Fierce. So this is the finished look. Just so you guys know, this palette goes for $20 at Ulta, which is super affordable compared to other eyeshadow palettes of this size that are high-end brands. The palette overall is really nice. I love the look that I was able to create with this palette. I love this glitter. It's super pretty, and I've never used a rose gold glitter before. I love the matte shades. I wish that some of these shimmery colors, like this one here and this one that I used for my brow bone, was a little bit more pigmented. So they're better if you just want a lighter glitter, but this shade, that's the shade Dude, did help to deepen up my look, so it's not like it's not pigmented or anything. They just don't come off as shimmery like the shade Hey Guys. Looks super shimmery, and it kind of is on my finger, but it doesn't look how it looks in the packaging. But I did love this glitter here, Manifest. It actually has like little to no fallout. I feel like, especially with this sponge applicator, it actually has less fallout than the shade Dude here. That one was getting like all over the palette, but the shade Manifest actually has less fallout than that, and that shade is gorgeous. Now overall, I would recommend this palette to you guys, especially for the price. It is still a very nice palette. The colors are gorgeous in this palette. The matte shades do come up really pigmented, as you guys can see. I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell button. When you subscribe, it's right next to it to turn on my post notifications so you're notified when I upload every single new video. I upload a new video every week, so you guys can go check out last week's video. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, which will all be linked down below in the description, along with all of the products that I used in today's video. I will also have a direct link for this palette, so you guys can go check it out, maybe buy it, try it out yourself. So I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!